What is going on, everybody? Welcome back again here to Brailsford Rides for another Overlander Build episode. Today's episode is really exciting. We have a bull bar to mount up to the 2003 Toyota Sequoia. It's the same installation for a first gen Sequoia as it is for a first gen Tundra, so this video is pertinent to you as well. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, my wife got me for my birthday a nice black bull bar. We do have the inserts for floodlights, and we're getting a set of floodlights to install here, so I'm pretty excited about that, and we'll bring that video up next. But first we're gonna do this install. This is a pretty quick install. If you look at the instructions, there's some factory bolts that you will see under there. We'll show you taking them out. Factory bolts under there that we're gonna remove, and we're gonna install these brackets, which we've already done, and they're finger tight, so that way we have a little bit of a little bit of wiggle room in there so we can finesse it on. And yeah, you're going to remove your factory toe hook bolts and reuse them on this bull bar. It's a pretty simple procedure. That should take about 5 minutes. I went ahead, like I said, finger tighten this, and we're going to go ahead and remove the OEM bolts from under the car and get this thing mocked up. All right, so let's go ahead and get these OEM bolts off. I'm gonna use a 17 millimeter. You gotta love reasons to get new tools, and I needed a breaker bar, so now we got a breaker bar. And she's loose. We're just gonna loosen them, and we'll use our gun on them. And there she goes. Some are more stubborn than others. Oh, Jesus. Put it here. Put it somewhere I can give it a pull. Definitely need a breaker bar for this one. Then we're gonna hit it with a gun. All right, as you can see, there's not a great way to do this. I've got it resting in my chest so I don't scratch it up. And then you're gonna take the two extra supplied nuts, or two extra supplied bolts, and you're gonna feed them through on one side, and you use the two short OEM ones on your other side. But it's kind of hard for me to show you and film at the same time. And we're gonna get it up. Look out, Lennox.
Why are you putting it like there?
We're just gonna get it started. Put in.
Whoa!
We got two. Then we're gonna tighten the whole thing down. Oh, yeah, one should go right back in, no problem. Those new ones were kind of a pain. And then we're just gonna zing it with the gun. And we're gonna zing it.
What? You're gonna zing it?
Yep. Let's do that side.
That's loud. Let me go check.
Now guys, once you get, as you can tell, this looks pretty awesome. I'm definitely digging it, especially my black TRD wheels, which are dirty. But the last thing you have to do is tighten up the one bolt that goes to the frames or the mounting bracket themselves. That was a 19 millimeter, and then the OEM sizes were 17 millimeter, I believe. So you'll need a 19 millimeter and a 17 millimeter to complete this job. All right, well, I definitely am digging that bull bar. The truck already looks pretty good with the TRD Pro wheels on, and the bull bar definitely adds to it. We're definitely going to get a set of 7-inch floodlights for the bull bar, and then maybe some light bar lights for the hood up here. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you're digging the Overlander build, yeah, just let me know. Let me know what you think I should do next on it. I'm thinking possibly a basket up top also. And we're definitely gonna get a bike rack too, but that's not an install video to do. Don't worry, Mustang faithful, we'll continue to do Fox body and posterior 2 stuff. That's the primary stuff, but this being my daily, and there's definitely an appetite for Overlander builds. I did want to get this video done. And one day I'd love to get the missus a newer Sequoia and do stuff on that as well, but I wouldn't be able to touch that unless she told me to. But don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the truck down below. And I'll see you guys next time on Brailsford's Rides for more Sequoia, Mustang, and just general car content. You guys, stay blessed, take care, have a Merry Christmas.